Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CSE-B Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women Autonomous BHIMAVARAM. This video is presented by M.Mamatha, register number 24B01A0586, first year BTech, CSE Department, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women Autonomous BHIMAVARAM. Under the guidance of Dr. M.Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women Autonomous, BHIMAVARAM. My problem statement is C program to write and read text into a binary file using Fread and Fwrite. First of all, discuss why files are needed. When a program is closed or terminated, the entire data is lost. Storing in a file will preserve your data even if the program terminates. If you have to enter a large amount of data, it will take a lot of time to enter them all. However, if you have a file containing all the data, you can easily access the contents of the file using a few commands in C. You can easily move your data from one computer to another without any changes using files. The file is saved until we delete it. There are two types of file. One is text file and another one is binary file. Let's discuss about binary file. Binary files are the mostly .bin extension files in your computer. It stores the data in binary form, that is zeros and ones, instead of storing in plain text. They can hold a large amount of data and they are not readable easily. So it provides a better security than text files, which is easily readable and accessed by anybody. That's why most company uses binary files for their security. Syntax of Fread and Fwrite. Fread: address of structure variable, size of structure variable, number of records, file pointer. There are 4 arguments. Next, Fwrite: address of structure variable, size of structure variable, number of records, and file pointer. The Fread and Fwrite syntax are both same. Here I am using coding C compiler. Let's start our program. #include stdio.h, #include stdlib.h. Let's declare our structure outside the main. Type struct. It doesn't need struct name when we give the type def. Int id, char name of at least 20 characters. I have taken it. You can take any number of your choice. Salary, float salary, and I am giving the structure shortcut name as emp and opening the main. I'm using constant keyword for writing a file name which will not change in the entire program. Constant char pointer file name equals to binary. I'm not giving any extension. After that, I'm declaring the file pointer fp f and I am declaring 2 structure variables. First is empw, which contains the data as 456 id and Mamatha as name and salary as 1,50,000. And our next structure variable is empr. I'm taking as for reference empw means emp write and empr means emp read. First of all, let's open the file. Fopen file name. Fopen contains 2 arguments, the file name and then is mode. As it is a binary file and used for writing mode, I am writing wb mode, and I am checking the error handling mechanism. If fp equals to null, it will print error in opening file for writing, and then it written once and written one. Next, I am writing Fwrite. As we have discussed the syntax before, first is the address of structure variables. Our first structure variables is empw, so I am taking empw. And next is size of structure variable, so I am taking size of emp. And next, number of records. As we have only one structure, we are writing number of records as 1. Then our file pointer is fp. Fwrite is completed, so we have to close the file as we have opened it. Let's see. Next, we have to open the next file name, and next is I required it for reading binary file, that's why I have taken RB as the mode. I'm checking the error handling mechanism once again. If fp equals to null, it will print error opening file for reading, and it written 1. Next, I will write the Fread syntax as we have discussed it earlier. It contains 4 arguments. The first one is the address of structure variable. As we are printing the values in the next structure variable, we should take the address of second structure variable, that is empr, and the size is same, as both belongs to same structure. As it only have one structure, so the number of records is 1, and the file pointer is same, so write fp. Then we have to close the file as we have opened it. Now we will print the values of the second structure variable, and let's see it will return the first structure variable values or not. Printf employee id empr, as we all empr dot id, as we all know how to access the structure variables or how to access the structure part. Next, we have to print the employee name, empr dot name, and next we have to print the employee salary, empr dot salary. The format specifiers should be the same of the data type which we used in the structure, otherwise it will return an error, so be careful. %f, %.2f, it will only return the decimal points up to 2 if we write .2f. Salary. Then let's close the main. Let's see the whole program. Then Let's see what the output is. You can see that the first structure variable values are printed in the second structure variable. So if you open the binary file, it is unreadable.
Everyone, this video is presenting by N.Lakshmi Harshitha with register number 24B01A05A9, first year, first BTech CSE-B, SHRI VISHNU Engineering College for Women, BHIMAVARAM. Under the guidance by Dr.M.Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, SHRI VISHNU Engineering College for Women, Autonomous, BHIMAVARAM. Today's our problem statement is to find the count of camel case characters in the given string. What are camel case characters? Camel case characters are nothing but uppercase letters. Now let us start our program. First, write standard input output header file stdio.h and then main. Now declare the variables I, n and count in int and initialize the variable count with 0. Here I am also declaring a character string with maximum size of 20. Now I am asking user to enter a string, and in the next step we are scanning the string entered by the user. Now I am storing the length of the string in a variable n. Here I am using strlen to find the length of the string. Now write a for loop with I equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Here we will write if condition in the loop. If the string of I is less than or equal to 90 and string of I is greater than or equal to 65, the count will be increased by 1. We know that the ASCII values for uppercase letters lies between 65 and 90. If a letter with ASCII value between 65 and 90 is identified, the count will be increased by 1. Finally, we are printing the number of camel case characters. Now let us check the output. Now I am entering a string with 3 camel case characters. Enter. Here is the output. The number of camel case letters is 3. Now we will check this program again by not giving any camel case characters. Here you can see the number of camel case letters in this given string is 0.